I'm Nat.
And I'm Joe.
We're gonna show you how to make dehydrated Thai curry rice for camping.
One serving.
We were good at that.
That was good.
Yeah, we should have. I mean, if we had practiced, we could have. So you need
Baggies.
you need baggies.
They're called baggies.
You need some dehydrated, or no, you need minute rice. You can make it yourself. You can dehydrate it.
It's dehydrated rice.
Yeah. You need some dehydrated chicken, or for the vegan option, mock duck. Mock duck. And you need some dehydrated veggies. We got corn, peas, and onion. You need powdered peanut butter, red Thai curry. You need powdered coconut milk. That's it. You need true lime. True lime packet.
That'll do.
All right. So, 1 cup dehydrated rice, or minute rice.
Press tab and pull.
Pull up.
Is that what it says?
That's rice. And then
Okay.
1 cup of your dehydrated veggies. And these are not mixed, so we're gonna mix them up.
Well, and tell the people what those are.
Corn, peas, and onion. You can do peppers in there. You can do it.
We can't stop you.
I should have brushed my hair before this.
Yeah.
You can also do broccoli if you want. Just a little smattering of corn for the ramen meal.
That's on next week.
Yeah, that's next week. The chicken is also going in our ramen next week. That stuff's good. I might not even rehydrate it. We also have
make sure to
dehydrated shrimp for the ramen.
check back every week for a new camping food video. We've decided we won't let you guys down anymore.
2 weeks from now, lentil curry. Dal.
Cup of veggies goes in with the rice.
Cup of veggies with the rice.
And we're starting to get some nice layering going on.
Yeah, it looks great. You'll love to see it. Alright, next, a cup of the dehydrated chicken, shredded chicken. This isn't for you.
The mock duck comes later.
Yeah.
See the addendum.
The mock duck is currently dry. We could show it. Let's show it we'll show the mock duck in the dehydrator now.
Welcome back. What a sight that was.
Well, here's our dehydrator with our mock duck in it. Right here. But it's not ready yet. I'll taste it. It's good though. And we don't want to give any sneak peeks, but we will. We got a little Cuban beans and rice going on. That's still pretty wet. And we got a little carrots for our ramen. And we got a little Impossible sausage, Italian sausage for our pasta. We're gonna be eating like kings and queens out there.
Welcome back. What a sight that was.
Alright, 1 cup protein of choice.
Courtesy of Santiago.
Yep.
Cheers to him.
Yeah. Cheers, Santi.
This one's for you. Alright. Moving right along.
3 tablespoons. Nope. 6 tablespoons powdered coconut milk. And you really can't go overboard with this because coconut's great in a curry. So we'll call it heaping. Next we have 4 tablespoons curry powder.
This is from Amazon.
You can also get red curry paste and dehydrate that. You want a little pinch of the good stuff?
This is. Did you dehydrate this?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Dehydrating paste is not fun.
Also, if a bear comes at you,
throw it at him.
In the eyes.
All right. Then 2 tablespoons powdered peanut butter. And we like to crack some peanuts in here day of anyway, but the powdered peanut butter makes a little bit of a thicker curry.
The peanut flavors.
Yep.
Get in there.
Love the peanut flavors. And then we just need a packet of True Lime. Here, this one can be for you. Yeah, make sure to shake them. Each True Lime packet is equivalent of the taste of 1 wedge. So do you want 1 or 2 wedges? You could go 2 wedges if you want.
Heaping.
Heaping?
Heaping.
All right, yeah, we'll go, look. What's the point of a recipe if not to... Oh! All right, almost done. Now we just need salt and pepper.
Pepper? But that's not on the list.
Fuck.
That must be...
1 teaspoon salt. And then just crack some pepper in there. Look. This is Minnesota. Okay?
That's spicy.
We gotta get
our... If you're feeling adventurous, you crack a couple cracks.
Yeah, a couple cracked peppercorns in there. Really get the sweaty upper lip. And there you have it.
Wow.
Right.
It's a meal in a bag.
While you're drunk, you've got to do it while you're drunk. When you've had 10 shots, and you know how it feels, and you can't find the words to express what is real, do it while you're drunk.
Nath approved. 1 serving.
Fantastic.
Nath-tastic.